I guess. Do one box hoop pack wars. This would be a popular break. One box hoops pack wars. We're gonna go 5 times. On this one, I got Doyer, Howie, Doyer, and DJ KB. We're going 5 times, guys. 5 times. Remember, a 1 of 10 beats a 1 of 2016. Like always. Going 5 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Howie, you're going to pick our box for us. Howie, you're going to pick the box for us. Then Doyer, and then Jerry gets whatever is left over. Howie, 2, 7, 8, 16, or 19. Alright, Howie's going to do, we're going to pick box 8. Alright, good luck, guys. Alright, Howie, 1, 2, 3, or 4. 1, 2, 3, or 4, Howie. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Howie's going to take 1. Scott, 2, 3, or 4. I need 2 numbers. Scott, 2, 3, or 4. Doyer, you here? Four and what other one, Scott? 4 and what? And get one more, Scott. One more. And Jerry's gonna get 3. Alright, good luck, Howie. You are up first. Gonna set the bar, Howie. Not numbered, Harden. Bryce Johnson. Howie's first number is 853. 853 out of 216. 2016. Ben Simmons, regular. Ben Simmons. Twan Prince. Winslow, Spark Plugs. Dragon Bender. 1937. 1937, Hassan Whiteside. Luwawu, Levert, Moore, Kobe, and 113 is going to be the number to beat. 113 out of 149, Alec Burks. So Howie is at 113. I don't think you do because there's a couple 99s in here. All right, Scott is going to do pack 2. Yeah, there's at least 199, I think. We haven't hit a gold in a while, either. Hotel. Not numbered, Anthony Davis. Davis rookie. Heel. But a heel rookie. Kobe. And 613 out of 999. That is 613. Kawhi Leonard will not get it done. Malcolm Brogdon. Dejounte Murray, Maka, Zubac, and Jonas brother, Jonas Valanciunas is 1 auto. Action shots, Kevin Love, Brandon Ingram, regular. Nice. Marquise Chris. This stuff is still producing very nice autographs. Marquise Chris, hot rookie auto. And 71 is now in the lead. Shek Diallo, 71 of 149. 71 of 149. Shek Diallo. Diamond Stone. And 1608, DeAndre Hopkins. So, Shek Diallo is in the lead at 71. 71. DJ KB. This is Jerry's packs. Uh-oh, we got a new leader, 51. Jerry is in the lead, 51 of 149. Jerry and Grant, 51. DJ KB. That's Steph Curry, 1971. Marquise Chris, rookie. Dreams, Karl Anthony Towns. Scalabissiere. LeBron James. Malachi Richardson. Saric. Kobe. And 189. 189. Steven Adams is 189. All right, Jerry is in the lead right now, going into the last one at 51. All right, Scott, last chance. $187. 187. Goran Dragic. Sabonis. Gordon Hayward, not numbered. Sheck Diallo. 1-on-1. Draymond Green, LeBron James. Shouldn't he be kicking him in the nuts? K. Felder. Got to beat 51. That's not going to do it. That is 17-17. 17-17. Bird's Eye View. Zach LaVine. Ulyss and 31 of 99. 31 of 99. Scott wins. Scott wins with 31 of 99. Congrats, Scott. Keep adding to your stack, man. Marquise Chris is nice autograph. Very nice autograph.